It's simple time and this is Chef Tatong and today magluluto tayo ng isang masarap at simple na recipe na siguradong magugustuhan nyo. Let's start cooking!
Simple, simple. Luto na, ha, ha.
Never yata tayong magsasawa sa fried chicken kaya today magluluto tayo ng isa namang version ng fried chicken paired with adobong sili para sa ating mga chili heads out there. So we start off with chicken leg quarters. So meron tayong chicken leg quarters kasi ito pag fried chicken sobrang juicy nito. So meron tayong 3 pieces, so 3 pieces to 1 kilo. Or you can also have smaller if you want. Pero ito siya. And you notice hindi ko tinanggal yung taba-taba niya because we want that in our fried chicken para mas maging flavorful siya. We season with patis. That's around 4 tablespoons of patis. Meron tayong 1/2 cup of vinegar. So ito yung fried chicken na to. Parang pinapaksiyo natin to. Basically, that's patis, suka, and water. Yan. Yan, bathe it in our patis, suka, and water. And we add our garlic. So ating garlic, look at that. It's just whole cloves of garlic na ating smash. Smash lang natin siya ng konti. And meron tayong whole peppercorns. Yan, around 1 teaspoon of whole peppercorns. And dahon ng laurel. Mga 3 or 4 na piraso. And pwede mong ipaksiw to, then iprito. Pero yung gagawin ko today, hindi na. Isasabay ko na rin yung aking oil. So it's just like a 1 pot na luto. Yan, enough oil just to cover. Look at that. And that's the time you turn on the fire. No? So parang kino-confit natin yung kuan. Sa French panaluto, confit yung tawag niya, no? So it's cooked in oil, it's simmered in oil. Hindi siya magpiprito agad. Kukulo muna siya sa oil bago siya maging mag-evaporate yung lahat ng liquid at mapiprito din siya. We just cover our pan and let it cook for a few minutes. And in the meantime, hindi pa tayo tapos. Gagawa pa tayo ng isa pang dish, ang aking adobong sili. Nakakarinig na ba kayo ng adobong sili? Kapartner natin sa ating kain, pangpanghang, ulam na siya, na sausawa, na instead of just atsara, try this. This is a very nice and very interesting side dish. So, magigisa tayo ng garlic, no? A lot of garlic. So, tingnan mo ha, my pan isn't so hot yet, pero I already added the garlic. So, I want my garlic to be toasted, no? Kasi alam mo yung adobo, masarap siya pag very garlicky yung flavor. So, nakita natin yung garlic natin, it's already brown. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to add my onion. So, I have an onion, 1 piece onion na minced. Yan. Chops into small pieces. Then, lalagay ko na yung aking vinegar, no? So, parang nag-adobo tayo. Vinegar. Yan. Our soy sauce. Yan. So, 1/2 cup of vinegar, 1/4 cup of soy sauce, and some water. Yan, let that simmer. Kung gusto niyo ng konting balance ng flavor, pwede niyo lagyan ng konting sugar, like a teaspoon of sugar. So, it's an option. Some people like it to have a sweet note. Some people don't. So, ito, optional natin. May konting sugar. And, of course, kasi adobo siya, meron siyang dahon ng laurel at black pepper. Yan. So, lalagay lang natin siya. So, ito siya. You can do this ahead of time. Damihan niyo yung gawa. And every time na may prito kang isda, prito kang manok, may tuyo ba yung ulam mo or whatever. Kahit na scrambled eggs, meron ka nito on the side, sobrang malasa na ng food mo, di ba? And imagine later on, yung pinagprituhan natin ng manok, dadagdag natin dito sa ating adobong sili. Sobrang dinamnam niya. Cover and let that simmer for around 5 minutes and it will be done. So let's check on our chicken. Tignan natin, kumukulo na siya. Look at that. Babaliktarin natin yung ating chicken. And it's infusing flavor while it's cooking, no? And guys, this recipe is part of our simple cookbook series. Yan, grab a copy of the book and we are trying to make cooking as simple as ABC. And remember always, pag nagluluto ka, to season your food properly kasi dun manggagaling yung lasa ng ating pagkain. And look at that, nag-reduce na yung ating adobo sauce sa ating adobong sili. So, it means na it's already done. Yan, tatabi na natin to. And lalagyan natin ng chicken oil later. Yan. And our chicken, let's check on our chicken. Oh, look at that. It's boiling away. So, as it cooks, it infuses the flavor of our patis and suka. Luto na yung ating chicken, no? So, gagawin na natin ngayon, we will uncover the pot para mag-evaporate na yung ating suka at ating patis and ating tubig para magprito na siya. And the tip here is to always use the fatty part of the chicken, which is the leg quarter. Kasi if you use the breast part dito, magda-dry out talaga siya. Kahit ano pa yung galing mo, magiging dry siya because of our cooking technique. Kaya, you use a chicken leg quarter, lalo na pag from fresh options. Yan. And, di ba kanina, pinapaksiyo natin yung ating manok. Ngayon naman, ay piniprito na natin siya. Look at that, no? So, babalik-tarin ko na yung chicken para mag-fry na siya evenly. Look at that, yung ilalim medyo nag-brown na ng konti. Yan, we just keep on turning it around para mag-even yung ating frying. Yan, ang gusto natin. And ito siya, nakita natin na medyo oil na siya. Kukuha ko ng konti dito para ilalagay ko lang sa aking, of course, adobo. Yan, a little bit of oil. And this oil, hindi lang siya panggawa ng sinangag, hindi lang siya pang gisa. But if you want to make chicken inasal also, etong oil na to, lalagyan mo lang siya ng atsuete and magiging chicken oil na siya, pang brush mo na siya ng inasal. Kasi malasa na siya and infused na siya with the, of course, chicken flavor. Yan. Perfect! And our chicken is almost done. Yan. So, we remove the excess oil. Yan. So, you just have to turn it over every so often para maging even talaga yung pag-brown ng ating chicken. Pack na pack yung ating chicken pack fry. Pack fry kasi pinaksiyo natin siya bago iprito. Look at that. Super malasa. And we're ready to plate our adobong sile. Of course, masarap with kanin nito. Lalo sa mga taong mahilig sa maanghang. Something different you can make ahead of time. Here it is, ating pack na simple chicken pack fry with our adobong sili, of course. It's so simple-licious and kaya niyong gawin any time of the day. Kaya tandaan nyo, kahit sino kaya magluto, basta simple! Mga ka-simple, remember, loving is sharing. Kaya share this video and like nyo na rin. Kain muna ako. Bye!